make it look kind of nice.
Okay,
It's already gone.
so this is my painting just seconds after I finished it, and it is now being rained on. Ta-da! Here it is. It looks like the raindrops are pretty big. Yep. There's Michael trying to take pictures of the paintings quickly. The raindrops are pretty big, so it probably might hail. I don't know. Michael's trying to take pictures as fast as he can. You want to take this over to Debbie? No, the crate. Yeah. This is us. Here it is. Oh, there we go. Raindrops are pretty big now. Look what's happening to everyone else's stuff. There's Michael still hurriedly rushing, trying to take shots of everything. My whites are already pretty faded.
Everybody, excuse us! Excuse us! Coming through!
Alright, craziness is ensuing.
Coming through. My boy.
Here's Michael taking a picture. I got a picture of it too.
Good.
The colors are starting to bleed already. You can see it bleeding on the pavement. It's going pretty quickly, although it's still pretty bright in comparison to everything. You can already see the colors are starting to bleed out onto the side there.
Yep. I actually think it looks really cool, but it does.
It's time for the camera to focus again. There we go.
Look how deep and vibrant the colors are.
Well, look at the other ones compared to mine.
Yeah,
Do you see what mine are doing? That's why I spent such a long ass time grinding those colors in.
Theirs are almost gone already.
Yeah. But you also see why I want to keep the tape down.
Yeah.
You can actually see the calligraphy symbol coming through.
Yeah.
Mine's still really bright, even though it's rained on.
I know, it looks awesome. Like, This is going to probably be the last of it here. Rain's coming down hard now. I've got an umbrella over me. The wind's really kicked up. Mine is still pretty bright. See, the other ones are diminishing there. yeah, however, it still looks really cool.
It still looks really cool.
And
Even
if it could stop raining now, we might still have a chance.
one of the things you'll notice is that the pastels that were the cheap chalks are going away first. And the ones that are the harder chalks are staying. And here's a bunch of people taking pictures quickly as it rains. Takes a little while to focus.
I think it adds character. It just needs to stop now.
Yep.
Sort of mottled look.
Yep. There still might be a snowball chance in hell if it doesn't let go. Thank you.
I think that deserves
Thank you.
The colors, the fact that it's still there.
I ground those things into the pavement. Thank you. See, look at those other ones. They're really washed away. Especially the lighter ones. But look at mine, baby. Yeah. Those neons, look how the neons are staying.
I know, it's beautiful. It is actually really beautiful, like the way it looks right now. I like the how it has been so vibrant and running together and gives it more depth.
Yep.
Like you intended it that way.
Yep. Mine is like, yeah, but you can see the bleed.
Yep.
Over on the side there. More people taking pictures. Isn't that awesome?
I'm not sure it's going to stop. I don't see blue sky.
No, but see how it's light over that way?
Yeah.
So at least this time though that the colors are together, so it might be salvageable after it stops.
Everyone else's is gone.
Yeah, buddy! Look at that. I know, mine can earn most durable in show.
Yeah, that should be a category, most durable in show.
Wow, it's funny. Look at the neons. They're almost puddling on top of it.
Yes.
I wonder what's in them.
Especially that one green stripe down the middle. If it does dry, that could be such a beautiful stripe right there. Because it looks 3D now.
Yeah. That other one, the dark one that was over there, is almost gone.
Yeah.
That's because I worked hard on grinding the suckers in.
We ground it in with our fingertips.
Wow.
If that doesn't qualify you for best use of color, the best use is to make it to survive the rainstorm.
Damn, look at that, look at that. Oh my God.
It looks wonderful.
This is so awesome. I'm happy.
I think it's funny to see your work destroyed before you're completely done. I'm happy. Because mine is less destroyed.
Well, no, I got all the colors down and I got pictures before it completely died.
You got pictures like 10 seconds
I got
before
10 seconds before it happened.
Before it goes. Don't you think that deserves best use of color because it actually stayed? The best use is to get it to stay.
It's great. That's such a cool piece.
I worked hard on that, man.
Yeah, it is amazing.
Alright, I think that's enough. Alright, here we go. That's it. It's lightning. We're getting out of here so we don't hit. Love you.